Hello, and welcome to the introduction video of the GeoCubes Finland data service. In this video, we will explore how GeoCubes Finland works and the opportunities it offers. To understand what GeoCubes Finland is, let's first talk briefly about Geoportti. Geoportti is an open research infrastructure developed in collaboration with several Finnish organizations. Geoportti is a distributed research infrastructure that brings together various datasets and services supporting geospatial research. Through its services, the infrastructure helps researchers in Finland to access, process, store, and share geospatial data. Through Geoportti, and more specifically CSC's services, researchers can also access, for example, massive geospatial datasets and high-performance geocomputing. Geoportti's services are free and open to researchers that are part of Finnish research group, and some of the services are completely open for everyone. However, the use of the services and data requires proper attribution. For reference guidelines, terms of use, and general information about the various services operated and promoted by Geoportti, please see the link in the description. In this video, we take a closer look at one of the Geoportti data services, GeoCubes Finland, an open and free service maintained by the Finnish Geospatial Research Institute. GeoCubes Finland provides national raster datasets produced by various Finnish organizations. The datasets cover a wide range of themes, from land cover classifications to orthophotos. Some datasets are available for multiple years, making it possible to analyze changes over time. All datasets in GeoCubes Finland are fully compatible. They use the same coordinate system, the same file formats, the same cell sizes, and the same cell centers. Convenient, right? The data is available at different resolutions. You can adjust the resolution to suit your needs, from high-detail 1-meter grids to broader 1-kilometer overviews. GeoCubes Finland covers the entire country of Finland, but you only need to download the area you need. You can define the download area by administrative boundaries or by drawing a custom area directly on the map. But where can you actually get these datasets, and how do you use them in, let's say, QGIS? There are many ways to access the raster datasets. For example, using the GeoCubes web client, the QGIS plugin, or various APIs. Detailed instructions for using these tools are available on the Geoportti YouTube channel. In summary, GeoCubes Finland offers an easy and free way to utilize national raster datasets for research and analysis. More information and links can be found in the video description. Thank you for watching.